Hey everyone, thanks for coming back for another review. So today we're looking at a white with cream interior 2021 S580 4MATIC at one of the local dealerships. Why, yes, I was very impressed. The salesman asked me if he could help me, and I said, could I review the inside of the vehicle? And he pulled it up for me. So let's take a look in the inside of this beauty. So now we are in the interior of this car. This has the cream white color interior with the piano black finish. Looks very luxurious, shiny, very smooth. The interior is very tight feeling, very closer to the occupant than I would say based on my W220, which feels a little bit wider and bigger in the inside. The seats are very comfortable, very plush. The dual sunroofs are nice. They have a good feel and let a light in. You can actually use your motion hand on this one to open them up so you're not touching anything. But just generally looking around, the center display unit is like an iPad. Lifting the car up is, easy. You don't feel anything. The massage seats feel really good. The center display that we're going to look at is 3D, but you can't see it. You have to look at it with your own two eyes, or if you have one eye, to really experience that in the heads-up display. It's just phenomenal, and I would say it's very similar to all the other S-Class models, so you will definitely get the hang of it quickly, and it's just more of an updated 2020, 21, 22 feel. Okay, WTH, the check engine light on this vehicle came on. The engine started sputtering and randomly just turned off. So I guess that's the end of this review. Thanks guys for checking this out, and I will see you hopefully in the next one.